like Nepali food?
Yeah, I want to try how you cook because only vegetables, then it's yummy na.
Meat also yummy. Liver?
Yeah.
You like liver?
I don't have another food.
No, me also like liver. No problem, mix.
Yeah.
That one potato?
Yeah, potato.
Sweet potato, no, huh? Potato only.
Yeah.
Put turmeric.
Yeah, little only. Because if we eat, the color is coming. Hello guys. Nagpapaturo paano magluto ng food nila. Style ng pagluluto ng aking mga sister, Didi. Kasi guys, simpleng ulam lamang. Sarap-sarap na ng mga gulay-gulay lang na niluluto nila.
Where is salt? You don't put salt, you?
Yeah, I put. Ay, this one only I bring, Didi. That
This one?
No, that one. No, no, magic sarap, yeah. That one. So that is not
Put?
salty. Yeah, put. Because na salt for me too much, no. If I cooking, I use that
All?
one.
Put?
Yeah, put on. Because if I cooking, they not use this one, not yummy.
Magic. Sarapan. This one Filipino?
Yeah,
Masala?
yeah.
Put this one. Garlic.
Okay. Ayan guys, ganyan sila magluto.
Why no ginger?
I don't have.
But then this one mix here.
Yeah, I'm asking you how you
No,
cook.
me thinking only this one or this one also use. Put mix. You thinking.
Yeah, this one mix
Mix.
also, yeah.
So why not tell me this one also mix?
You think separate?
No, me thinking separate.
No, this one I mix this. Yeah.
You put your my carrot is for the
Then the tomato, it's later.
yeah tomato is later.
Why I forgot to remove the water this one. Atay po yan ng manok mga guys. Yan.
Chicken liver and pomegranate sauce. Give salt, chili. Chili.
Don't put too much, ha? Hi, boss.
Bas?
Maybe I cannot eat. Yan, nilagay po natin ng konting chili mga friends. And then covers, ha? Or this one. After. You want I'll show your face?
No.
Why? You have TikTok, matay.
Kamatay.
Why?
Wait.
Why
First,
you?
this one still not cooking good, sir.
Mm.
This one like this, good cooking, and then put
Okay.
tomato.
So cover now.
Yeah, cover now. Sometime,
Okay.
like this, huh?
Then after I put this one.
Yeah.
Okay, masalam.